Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A33, and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application, and after that click here on the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the volume section. Just to mute your device ringtone, you should swipe this dot to the left side with your finger. Also, we got the second way how we can do that. Just first be sure that this volume button controls is turned off, and now just go to the volume buttons. Here you should use them, and now just by press your down volume button here on the right side of your phone, you can also mute your device ringtone. And the third way how we can do that, just press up or down volume button, and after that switch the volume panel to the down with your finger, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.